Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to disable auto detect for walking on Samsung Galaxy watches. So let's do it. So to do that on your Galaxy watch, just swipe to the right and here we have the workouts. Now tap on more and tap on the settings icon here. Now go down and we have here auto detect workouts. Tap on this feature. And from here you can disable auto detect for all workouts, and if you want only for walking, you can do it from here. Unfortunately, walking is linked with running, but you can enable for running very easy the workout from here. Just tap on this icon, or you can do it also from here when you start your running exercise. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.